All right, y'all. Going back here to tighten up some landscape rocks, river rock, landscape rocks, whatever you want to call them. Just tighten them up. Came by here the other day to check these out and decided that I'm going to tackle this with a little bit of finesse and make sure we don't get any runoff. So I'm just going to lightly hit these, and then I'm going to lightly hit those over there. There's a few over there too. I don't know if you can see them. Let's see if we can get a little closer. There's some over there, and let's see what we can do. I'm gonna make it do what it do, baby. The first part of this is just water. All right, y'all, all done. All done with my second job today. Knock those rocks out back there with the soft wash system. Knock those out too, the soft wash system. AR-45 has been my go-to. Knocked out that stone patio right there. What was that ceiling? In this house, of course. Turned out great. Another satisfied repeat client. We on to the next. See you next time, Rocks. Stay tuned. Make sure I shut that gate so the dogs won't come out.